Welcome back, class 8th, to the second session of your chapter Endocrine System. In this video, you are going to study about thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, and gonads. Thyroid is the largest endocrine gland. It is found in the neck region at the base of voice box or larynx in front of the windpipe or trachea. It has two lateral lobes, one on either side of the trachea. The two lobes are connected by a bridge-like tissue called isthmus and richly supplied by blood. The functions: the thyroid gland secretes two hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine controls the speed of cellular metabolism, the rate at which oxygen is consumed in our body, and energy production. It also regulates the body temperature by producing energy. A mineral iodine is necessary for thyroxine production. Calcitonin, the other hormone, controls calcium levels in our blood. The undersecretion and oversecretion of thyroxine causes certain diseases. Undersecretion or hyposecretion causes hypothyroidism in adults, also called as myxedema, where there is sluggish metabolism. The whole person feels sleepy, sluggish, lazy, and there is general weight gain. Lack of iodine along with less thyroxine causes thyroid gland to swell up, called as simple goiter. Oversecretion or hypersecretion of thyroxine causes hyperthyroidism. It increases the speed of cellular respiration, leading to weight loss. The person shows irritability, nervousness, bulging eyes, increased pulse rate. In children, if thyroxine production is less, it causes retarded physical and mental growth called as cretinism. The next endocrine gland is adrenal glands. Location: they are attached to the top of kidneys like a cap. Structure: each adrenal gland consists of two parts, the outer adrenal cortex and an inner adrenal medulla. The both parts produce separate set of hormones. Adrenal cortex secretes a group of hormones called corticoids. These are steroids that regulate the metabolism of carbohydrate, protein, fats, urine production, may act as sex hormones, influencing secondary sexual characters. Adrenal medulla secretes two hormones, mostly adrenaline, epinephrine, and noradrenaline, norepinephrine. Both these hormones work in coordination. Adrenaline is also known as emergency hormone as it prepares body for fight, to face the danger, or flight, that is to run away from the stress situation. So whenever a person is under stress or is doing a high grade of physical activity, adrenaline is released, makes the heart beat faster, increases blood flow to brain, and helps to cope our body with stress or emergent situation. The noradrenaline or norepinephrine brings our body back to normal state from the hyper state produced by adrenaline by regulating blood pressure and causing contraction of capillaries and arterioles. Corticoids over and under secretion causes certain diseases. Over secretion, that is hyper, causes Cushing's syndrome, in which the person becomes fat, obese. Blood glucose levels are very high. Muscles deteriorate, become weak. Hypo or under secretion of corticoids causes Addison's disease, in which blood glucose level falls, blood pressure is low, and of course the body, due to low glucose levels, a person feels weak. Then we are going to learn about pancreas. Pancreas is a glandular organ located in the abdomen behind the stomach in the loop of duodenum, the small intestine. It is called a heterocrine or dual gland, as it functions both as endocrine and exocrine gland. Its exocrine component consists of ducts of acini, which produce the pancreatic juice containing digestive enzymes. The endocrine component consists of islets of Langerhans, which secrete three kinds of hormones. It has three types of cells: alpha cells, beta cells, and delta cells. So all these three cells produces three hormones, though in your syllabus only two hormones are given: insulin and glucagon. Converts extra glucose from blood into glycogen to be stored in liver cells as well as muscles. So blood glucose levels are maintained by insulin. Glucagon works opposite to insulin. It stimulates breakdown of glycogen stored in liver and muscles back to glucose, raising blood glucose levels. Insulin under and over secretion produces certain diseases in our body. Hyposecretion or under secretion of insulin causes blood glucose level to spike, increase, which are that extra glucose is then thrown out through urine. This disease is called diabetes mellitus. Hypersecretion or oversecretion of insulin causes blood glucose levels to fall down, and due to too less glucose, the person has no energy and feels generally weak. And if the brain is not getting sufficient energy, the person may become unconscious, collapse, or enter coma. Next we have gonads. Gonads are actually reproductive structures located in our body. In males they are called as testes, and in females they are called as ovaries. The testes are contained in the scrotum outside abdomen. They secrete the male sex hormone testosterone, which regulates the development of reproductive organs, sperm production, the male gamete, secondary sexual characteristics at puberty, such as deepening of voice, growth of body hair. Ovaries are almond-shaped glands located on both sides of the uterus below the opening of fallopian tubes or oviducts. They secrete the female sex hormone called estrogen and progesterone. These hormones regulate the development of reproductive organs and secondary sexual characteristics at puberty, such as high-pitched voice and other characteristics which we will study in the next video, that is about adolescence or puberty.